that I ordered. I have another order coming, but this is what it looked like. It's all in plastic. I'm going to take them out, and I don't know. I'll show you what happens when I take them out. All right? Back. Okay, family, these plants have come wrapped in plastic, and the plant itself is taped down. The plant is taped down in its pot. I'm going to take them all out and put them in the dirt that I have prepared for them, and I'll show you when I have it all set up. Be back. Hello, family. I'm just sharing with y'all some of my new plants that I received today. These are all of my new succulents. Don't ask me the name. All I know is I have some jades and a cacti. I don't know what that is. All I know right now is I'm praying that they take off and I don't kill these succulents. I'm having good luck with some succulents, so hopefully in a few months they'll be bigger and I can propagate these, because there are some beautiful succulents and cacti. I believe this is a cacti. And I also I got a creeping Charlie, and I have a trailing lemon thyme that I hope not to kill. So this is my plant share that I'm sharing with y'all today. Some plants I received by mail, and hopefully they're going to be growing. I'm going to take pictures so you guys can see. All right, if you have any questions, remember the comment section. I would like thumbs up. I would like a full view. Share this video, thumbs up this video, leave a beautiful comment, and if you know any of the names of these plants, feel free to put it in the comment box, because sharing is caring. And like I said, I'm going to take pictures and let y'all see the other ones that I planted, and hopefully they take off. I also planted some sunflowers that I'm going to take a picture of the sunflower thing that I got the seeds, and let y'all see, and then hopefully in a little bit they'll grow so I can have some beautiful flowers like before. I grew some sunflower seeds thanks to my YT friend Ann. I won a contest. I haven't forgotten her. That's about all. I'm just going to take some pictures and share that with you guys. But these are my beautiful succulents I just got in a cheap little plastic container. Hopefully one day I'll have a different container for them, but right now I'm just using what I have. Alright, this is a garden, not an update, but a garden share about what's happening and what I'm doing and what I'm would like to share in the future, my sunflowers, and what I'm sharing now, my new plants. This is a garden share of my new plants. Alright, I'm going to take pictures, and remember, have a beautiful garden day. Bye.